Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding women crochet cowl designs. Different designs, different ideas, different colors for you. Beautiful designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish and beautiful crochet cowl designs. Different designing ideas, color combination, contrasts. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. You can easily carry, you can easily move with your stylish and beautiful crochet cowl designs, especially for winter season. You can wear matching with gloves designs, jacket designs, trouser designs, beautiful cowl designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful cowl designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful cowl designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Beautiful designing ideas for you. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.